In today's video, let's talk about how to set up your Chase Bank app for beginners. So if you are a beginner and if this is your first time trying to set up the Chase Bank app, let me exactly show you the process that you need to follow. First of all, make sure you download this application of Chase. You just need to search for Chase on the Play Store or the App Store, depending upon your device. And once the app opens up, you'll be able to see a similar interface. You'll have two options right here. You'll need to tap on the second one, which says sign up. Now in the sign up process, it is quite easy. You just need to fill in all of the information that is asked, such as your social security number, your debit card, your account details if you already have one, or your debit card details. So before you follow this step, make sure you at least have your account inside of Chase, or you need to at least have a debit card so that you can fill in. In the first step, you'll need to select a type of account that you have, either personal, business, or if it is personal and business both, depending upon what you have. In the first section, you need to add in your account number or debit card or credit card number so that it can match with your account details. Secondly, you'll also need to add in your social security number, and then lastly, create a username. Make sure your username is unique so that you can always log in using this particular username. Once you fill in this information, in the next step is going to prompt you to create a password. Make sure you create a strong password as well, and Chase will then notify you by sending you a one-time verification code on your phone number that is linked with your Chase account, and you can simply enter in the code to complete this process. So this is the entire process that you can follow in order to set up Chase Bank on your mobile device. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.